Hi, my name is Olele Abdulaziz Adeleke. I help local businesses stand out, show up, and get found on Google. I specialize in Google Business Profile Optimization, local SEO, and online management for small and medium businesses. For the past 6 months, I have achieved massive results for different industries, construction to restaurant to marketing agency. As you can see on my screen here are the results of what I have done. Results speak for themselves. Results don't lie. One thing I believe is that statistics don't lie. So as you can see here, this is a diesel delivery company that I am managing their profile. As you can see, in the past 6 months, they were able to get 426 business profile interactions. You can see here 426 business profile interaction. This is a live case study. Their calls, they had 39 calls so far. Last month they had 9. This month they already had 10. And their website also had 96 website visits. Now let's go to the construction company and managing their profile. As you can see here, they've had 249 profile views in the past 6 months, 32 calls, 13 last. They had 13 calls last month alone. This is May. They had 13 calls. In March they had 11 calls, and February they didn't even have any call at all. And after the optimization, they have 11 calls straight up in March. After I did the optimization, you can see January, February, no nothing. But by March, after I did the optimization, by February, so after I did the optimization, they got 11 calls. As you can see, 11. They got 5 in April and 13 in May. Now as you can see, June now they already had 3 calls. Now chat, they already had 1 chat this month and 1 chat last month, making 2 chats. Now the directions, they've gotten 202 direction requests. Now website click, they had 13 website clicks. Now let's go to the restaurant I am managing their profile. As you can see here, the website had 1035 profile interaction. Now their menu, they had 18 menu view. Their calls, they had 169 calls in the past 6 months. As you can see here, last month they had 41. This month also, now they had 26. April they had 36. So now chat, they had 4 chats this month so far. Directions, they had 711 directions in the past 6 months. Last month they had 242 directions. This month so far they had 37. Now website click, they had 131 website click. As you can see, 18 last month, 14 this month. Now let's go to the digital marketing agency I'm also managing. Before I optimize the digital marketing agency profile interaction, as you can see their business profile interaction, they only had 269 profile interaction from September to December. They did not have up to 269. So now after I did the optimization, they had 111 profile interaction within a month. That was January. I did the optimization in December, and January they had 111. As you can see the margin here. So now let's go to the website click. As you can see their website click here, they were not really having any website click at all. People were not really visiting their website. Also, after I did optimization in December, by January they had 43 website visits, which is very good to start with. As you can see here, now the same December, after I did the optimization, they were not even having up to 10 calls. As you can see here, so after I did the optimization, their call increased. As you can see, their call increased, as you can see, to up to 300%. As you can see here, they had 27 calls immediately January. So now let me take you to their profile. As you can see, this is their profile. Since I did the optimization from January till now, they've had 664 profile interaction compared to the past few months. Compared to September to December, when they didn't even have up to 300 profile interactions. Now they are having 664 profile interactions. That's about close to 400% increment, as you can see. So now their calls, they had 152 calls so far from January to June. Right now in January they had 27, February 21, March 18, April 24, May they had 44 calls. Now we are in June, they had 18 calls, and today is June 17. There's potential that they are going to get to about 45 calls this time around. In fact, they are going to get to 40 to 45 calls this time around. So their chat click, they don't really have much chat. Booking, nothing here. Then directions, they had 227 direction requests. Their website click, they had 273 website click, as you can see. Now let me do their the statistics based on month. So last month alone, let me do the last month and apply it. So last month, their website click had 1,420.0%, as you can see, their website. Now let me go to direction. Their direction request reduced by minus 13.3%. Their booking, nothing. Their chat click, just 2. Their calls increased by 4,300.0%. As you can see the difference. You see the difference. Now their overview, they had 311.1% profile interaction. So let's scroll down to their how people discover them. As you can see, May alone they had 200,323 profile view, which increased. That is increase in a month. They have plus 601.8% profile their business where people view their business. As you can see also, they appear in 584 searches, which is plus 264% increase in their searches, as you can see here. Now let's search for June only. Let's see what's happening. Now June has not yet finished, so we may not be able to get the result yet until the month end. Then the result will compile together. As you can see, they are getting calls. Do you see? Tuesday, 3rd of June, they had 7 calls. 4th, they had 2 calls. 5th, they had 0. On 6th, they have 1. 7th, they had 2. 8th, they had 1. 9th, they had 0. 10th, they had 6 calls. As you can see, 6 calls in a day. Wednesday 11 they had 4 calls, and Thursday 12 they had 2 calls so far. So now from then till 17th of this month, now till today, they have not had any calls. So this is the profile interaction statistics of the business profile I'm managing. If you're a business owner and your profile is not ranking and you want me to help you to optimize your profile so that you can be able to get inflows of customer, you don't need to spend on ad. You don't need to pay for ad. All you need to do just to all the strategies I use in doing all these things, I'm going to put it in your business also to help you get inflows of customer. If you want me to help you do all these things from A to Z, kindly click on the link in my bio to chat with me, send me a DM, and I'll be able to help you get started. Thank you so much.